Got a Hyundai Genesis here. Today we are going to be replacing the turbo oil feed line, which is this piece right here. This is a 2.0 turbo. So the line, this is what it looks like. So it's going to go down from here all the way down. There's the top bolt right here. Right there. So it goes all the way down. So you do have to jack the car up. So I got it jacked up with my jack stand right here, and it's just right next to the oil filter housing, right there. That's the other bolt. So you take that one off, and then you take the top one off. This is the part number. Bought it from a website called genracer.com. You might need an oil pan if you're going to take the bottom bolt off. You might have some oil leak out, but let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so we are taking it all the way out. Careful with that bolt, you have to drop it anywhere. That's what it looks like right here. You can see you got a washer right there. I'm going to reuse this washer because the new line didn't come with one, or you can replace it. You can go to the parts store and replace it. Make sure this is clean also. Now we're going to go ahead and take the top one off. Alright, so we got the top one loose. Go ahead. This one's got a washer with it too. Careful not to lose it. That's the line. Now we gotta pull it down from the bottom. So you can see it's got a washer right there with that too. So when we put the new one in, you have a washer on this side and on the other side of the line. It might have to fall underneath and wiggle its way out this whole mess right here. Alright, so I'm gonna try to pull it up from the top. Go. This is what the old line looks like. It was leaking from here. That's the new one. Just make sure to compare it, make sure they're the same. Now to put the new one on, you just gotta squeeze it in between this part right here. Just like this. Make sure that this is on the top, facing up. The new line, I slid it down from here underneath this piece right here. Just make sure it's sitting flush, and don't forget that washer on that side. And then when you put the bolt back on, you got another washer that goes on top of it. Same for the bottom side. That's the line right here. You might have to just kind of wiggle its way out. I would recommend putting the top bolt first, but don't tighten it all the way. So when you wiggle this out or align it, it doesn't come off. Don't forget you got two washers, the left and right side. Then put your bolt back on once you align it, and that's it. I hope this video helped you guys out. If you guys got any questions, comment below. Give me a thumbs up, click on the subscribe button, and again, thanks for watching.